Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to enable flash notification on your Android 14. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap on Settings app. Tap on Notifications. Now scroll down. Here you can see flash notifications in General section. Tap on it. By default disable. Here you can see camera flash and screen flash option. Toggle on the camera flash. Tap on Preview to how it looks. You can also toggle on screen flash. In screen flash you can also choose color from different color. Here you can see how it looks. Tap on a preview. It's quite easy to enable or disable camera flash and screen flash on your Android 14 devices. You can also use accessibility settings. Go to accessibility. Now scroll down. Tap on a flash notifications. Now toggle on or toggle off the camera flash or screen flash you want on your Android 14. That's it. If you like it, share it.